Hello students, hi everyone. Today I am going to teach quadratic equations. It is for class 10, problems based on numbers. In this section only we will see problems based on numbers. Question number 1 is find two natural numbers which differ by 5 and the sum of whose squares is 97. We have to find two natural numbers which differ by 5. It means difference is 5 and the sum of whose squares is 97. As you know, natural numbers, all counting numbers are called natural numbers. All counting numbers are called natural numbers, as like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let the first natural number be x. Then the second natural number will be x plus 5, because difference is 5. X plus 5 minus x will cancel, difference is 5. Sum of whose squares we have sum of whose squares, it means x square plus x plus 5 to the whole square is equal to 97. Implied x square a plus b to the whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to 97. X square plus x square 2x square 2 5 are 10, 10x plus 25 minus 97 is equal to 0. 2x square plus 10x minus 25 minus 97, 7 minus 5 2 and 9 minus 2 5, 7, 9 minus 2 7. Then 2 will come out, x square plus 5x minus 36 is equal to 0. Now first into last, there is 1 into 36, 1 into 36 is equal to 36. Factorize it by 2 18 ja, 2 9 ja, 3 ja, so 2 2 ja 4 and 3 3 ja 9, 9 4 ja 36 and 9 minus 4 5. So x square plus 9x minus 4x minus 36 is equal to 0. Imply that x will common from this, so x plus 9 minus 4 will come out, so x plus 9 is equal to 0. Imply that x plus 9 into x minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 9 or x is equal to 4. Since natural number cannot be negative, since natural number is positive, therefore x is equal to 4 only. X is equal to 4. But we have to find two natural numbers. So first natural number is 4 and second natural number is equal to, it is first natural number and second natural number is equal to x plus 4. It means 4 3x plus 5. So 4 plus 5 is equal to 9 is the second natural number. Second natural number. Second question number second. Divide 15 into two parts such that the sum of their reciprocal, the sum of their reciprocals is 3/10. Find the values of those two parts. Okay. In this question, it is given that divide 15 into two parts such that the sum of their reciprocals is 3/10. Find the values of those two parts. Okay. Let first part be x, then second part will be 15 minus x. Reciprocal, so reciprocal of x is 1/x and reciprocal of 15 minus x 1/15 minus x. Solution. Let the first part be x, then the second part will be 15 minus x because sum is 15. It means 15 is a part. In this we have to divide two parts such that whose sum is 15. Suppose first part be x, then second part will be 15 minus x. 15 minus x. Now two parts are given. Sum of their reciprocals. Sum of their reciprocals. We have 1/x reciprocal of x, sum it is plus 1/15 minus x is equal to 3/10. Is 3/10? It means is equal to 3/10. Implies that. Now you take LCM. LCM will be x into 15 minus x. So 15 minus x plus x is equal to 3/10. Implied that x will be cancelled. So 15 x into 15 minus x is equal to 3/10. 3 5 are 15. It means x and there will be 1. X into 15 minus x is equal to 10 into 5 50. 15 into x 15x, x into x square minus 50 is equal to 0. It means minus x square minus 15 plus 15x minus 50 is equal to 0. minus will be common out, so x square minus 15x plus 50 is equal to 0. Minus will go that side, so x square minus 15x plus 50 is equal to 0. Now first into last, so product will be 50. Product will be 50. Now factorize it. 2 25 ja 5 5 ja. We have to brought 15. We have to brought 15. 2 into 5 10. 10 5 ja 15. 50 and 10 plus 5 15. Okay. Implies that x square minus 10x minus 5x plus 50 is equal to 0. X will common out, so x minus 10 and minus 5 will common out, so x minus 10 is equal to 0. X minus 10 will common out into x minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 5 and x is equal to 10. X is equal to 5 and x is equal to 10. Find the values of those two parts. So those two parts are 5 and 10. You can verify the answer. 5 plus 10 15. Okay, and reciprocal, the sum of its reciprocal 1 upon 5 and 1 upon 10. LCM will be 10. 5 2 is 10, so 2 plus 1 3 upon 10. So sum is 3 upon 10. Therefore 5 and 10 are the required answer. Okay, I hope all of you have understood how to solve problems based on numbers by quadratic equation. Third number question is a positive number is divided into two parts such that the sum of the squares of two parts is 20. The square of the larger part the square of the larger part is 8 times the smaller number, 8 times of the smaller part. Okay, a positive number is divided into two parts such that the sum of the squares of the two parts is 20. Sum of the squares. The square of the larger part is 8 times of the smaller part. 8 times. The larger part is 8 times of the smaller part. So let smaller part be x. solution. Let the smaller part be x, then the square of the square of the larger part is 8x, 8 times of the smaller part, 8x. Now the sum of the squares of the two parts, sum of the squares, we have sum of the squares, square of smaller part x square, sum it means plus, and square of the larger part is already x, is equal to 20. Is 20, it means is equal to 20. X square plus 8x minus 20 is equal to 0. Imply that x square 120 is 20. Factorize it, 2 10 ja, 2 5 ja. We have to brought 8. 2 2 ja 4, 4 5 ja 20, 5 2 ja 10, 10 2 ja 20, and 10 minus 2 is 8. Okay, so x square plus 10x minus 2x minus 20 is equal to 0. X will common out, then x plus 10 will remain, minus 2 will common out, so x plus 10 will remain. Imply that x plus 10 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. Implies that x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 10. There is given a positive number, so x is equal to minus 10 is impossible. Hence x is equal to 2 is the correct answer. Hence x is equal to 2 is the correct answer. It is the smaller part. It is the smaller part. Therefore, larger part is equal to a square of larger part is 8x. It means 8 into 2, 16. A square of larger part is 16. Therefore, larger part is equal to under root 16 is equal to 4. So larger part is 4 and a smaller part is 2. Therefore required positive number is equal to 2 plus 4, 6. Required positive number is equal to 2 plus 4, 6. Like this you can complete all questions which are based on problems based on numbers. Problems based on numbers. Okay, one more question is for number. The denominator of positive fraction, the denominator of a positive positive fraction is one more than twice the numerator if the sum of the fraction and its reciprocal is 2.9 find that fraction. Solution. Okay. The denominator of a positive fraction is one more than twice the numerator. So let numerator be x. Let numerator be x. Then denominator will be one more than twice the numerator 2x, one more than, so plus 1. Let numerator be x, then denominator will be 2x plus 1. Therefore fraction is equal to numerator by denominator. Numerator is x, denominator is 2x plus 1. Its reciprocal is equal to 2x plus 1 upon x. The sum of the fraction, it means this, and its reciprocal is 2.9. We have x upon 2x plus 1 plus 2x plus 1 upon x is equal to 2.9. 2.9 can be expressed as a fraction, as a decimal fraction, which is equal to 29 upon 10. Implies that LCM of 2x plus 1 into x. Suppose 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 is there. 2 and 3 both are different, so its product will be LCM. Similarly 2x plus 1 and x both are different, so its product will be LCM. Their product will be LCM. X into 2x plus 1, x into x square plus 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1 to the whole square is equal to 29 upon 10. In this we multiply 3 into 1 and 1 into 2. X square plus 2x to the whole square 4x square, a square plus 2ab plus b square upon x into 2x square plus x is equal to 29 upon 10. Imply that x square plus 4x square 5x square 2 into 2 4x plus 1 50x square 10 into 4 40x 10 into 1 10 minus 29 to the 58x square minus 29x is equal to 0. Implies that 50x square minus 58x square minus 8x square plus 40x minus 29x 10 minus 9 1 and 4 minus 3 minus 2 1 11x plus 10 is equal to 0. Implies that minus will be common out. 8x square minus 11x minus 10 is equal to 0. Now 8 into 10 80, 8 into 10 18 and 16 into 5 16 5 ja 80 16 5 ja 80 and 5 minus 16 minus 11. Okay, 8x square minus 16x plus 5x minus 10 is equal to 0. Now 8 will common out, 8x will common out, so x minus 2 only plus 5 will common out, x minus 2 will remain. X minus 2 will common out, so 8x plus 5 is equal to 0. Implies that x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 5 upon 8. We have to find a positive fraction. Okay, positive fraction, that's why it is impossible value. Possible value, x is equal to 2 is possible value. Okay, x is numerator, so numerator is x and denominator is equal to 2x plus 1. Denominator is equal to 2x plus 1. It means 2 into 2 plus 1 is equal to 5. Hence the required fraction is 2 upon 5. Hence the required fraction is 2 upon 5. Okay, students, thank you so much for watching.